Hey guys, what's up? What's up guys? Called this in today's video. I'll be taking out the seat out of this BMW 2.3i. Same black line I sprayed and swap out the placement. So, right here, I advise that you put the seat all the way back. Looks like when you start, make sure you don't have nothing behind it, wedging it or nothing. Like I have my bench price here, but so I'll be taking out the seat like this and replacing them with these nice with the whole new seat and stuff like that. Make it look good. Back, clean the inside, and voila, that's me. Right, so while I have this then you feed the gun over. Gun right there. I just lost power. Shoot. Also, I don't have that problem. Not all you gotta do right there. Put the seat all the way back. Y'all see they have these little boot covers, so save them. Then all these bolts are 17 millimeters. Then last and final, before you take it out, I recommend that you put the seat like so she could just come out straight. Close the door, lift it up, and tilt it out the car. See, so I'd have to put it back in. Slide it over, under, then just come right here. I should just be able to pull it out. You know what? Just I don't break it, I'll just get my little pliers and just pull it. Oh, there they are. And it comes right out. So now it's disconnected. So now all I gotta do is lift it out. Oh yeah, then you go up on the doors. So for that, I just got these scissors I use. And snip, snip. And we're out. See this out. So now like this, take all this dirt out. So I'll vacuum this out. Put a new seat in. Put a new seat in out of that. And you know. So let me take all the stuff out the back. I have a bunch of stuff out in the back. So put this out. Put this the light. I'll show you how to rewire it, you know. So I gotta do that too. Put them in right there. I'm gonna have to put this in and rewire them. Just right here. That's the air box. My huge foil ball. This right here. It's my buffing pod. And I buff this baby. Let you know how that go. Then this just slides right out because I already disconnected the clips and stuff. Yeah. Bow, bow. This right there is for under, you know, under there, under the driver's seat for the OBD port and speaker and stuff. Some set plugs. Then on it's out. Now, one thing I want to do right now is clean this out, you know. Ooh. I'm gonna say clean it out. I was thinking of it. I can clean this up, take all the junk and stuff out. You know, ouch, that really hurt. That's really like deja vu. I had a dream like this one day. That right here, just taking the seats out, cleaning it out. Like it just coming to reality now. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So this right here is fuel sending unit, and that's the fuel pump. Oh, and guys, then I have the X5 over there. I'll be taking the fuel sending unit out of the top. I'll put it inside there to, you know, fix it, have it running and drivable. This right here is my main project. Not really a project, but my main job because it's running on all that. Now I just gotta swap the seats and stuff from out that. Put inside here, buff it, wash it, then buff it. Then, hey, we got a running car. But I'd like to clean, I'd like to actually like vacuum out inside here and stuff like that, because this in here is kind of dirty. And it wouldn't be like a complete job if I don't clean up inside here. So let me get to work. I don't have my vacuum. Shit, shoots. Don't have my vacuum. But as you guys can see, I did that very easily, you know. So I'm just, this is what I have right now. Clean it out. Yeah. I wanna wipe down this whole interior, make sure it look nice, clean up the glass, you know, wipe the car down, in the inside, you know, polish the dash, stuff like that, and make sure she look nice. So that when I'm ready to take the door panel off, fix the glasses, I'll just take the panel off that and, you know, keep it going. But otherwise,